Do magnets actually matter? Magnets definitely change how a cube feels, but do they actually change your solving speed? Let's find out. To find out if magnets actually make a difference to your solves, I'll be doing 10 solves with this non-magnetic Yushin cube that I have, and my Tornado version 5 Pioneer. Let's see which one wins. So this Yushin cube has absolutely zero magnets whatsoever. And the Tornado version 5 Pioneer has a 20 magnet ball core with core magnets, maglev, and obviously your piece magnets, the edge magnets. So this is going from 0 to 100. We will see which one wins. Alright, time for solve 1 with the non-magnetic Yushin cube. That's a good cross. Bad F2L. My F2L is trash. Wait, hold on, I think that was a full. Oh, okay, so I know. PLL skip. Let's go. Okay, white cross. That's good. I don't think that really the cube is being bad. It's just me. I'm off right now. My solves are not the best at all. Let's see what my average of 10 was. It was 23.47. That's terrible. That's just terrible. Alright, now I'm using the Tornado version 5 Pioneer, which has way more magnets. Because it actually has magnets. And already I'm doing better. I think that might just be because I'm more familiar with this cube and so I'm more comfortable with it. But you know, that was a pretty good first solve with this cube. I think I might start warming up with a non-magnetic cube just to get like my turning style dialed in. Less overshooting. I think it's good to have a non-magnetic cube to practice stuff like that. That's why I still have my Rubik's Brand. And also because I can bring my Rubik's Brand outside without worrying about getting like dust in it. I wonder if we can stay sub 20 the whole session. I don't think we can.
One eternity later.
Yay! And that makes our average of 10 18.98 seconds. Let's go. So the magnetic cube has won. After doing a few more solves on my non-magnetic 3x3, I was confused because I was still getting the same terrible non-sub 20 times that I was getting before. And it was weird because the cube turned fine, but the lack of magnets can't really make that much of a difference. Can they? So I went to the computer to start researching. So in my research, here's what I found. I already knew that magnets improve the stability, and that allows you to turn faster. But besides that, is there really any difference? The answer is yes. So with magnet strength, you can tune the cube to like a more precise setting that matches your turning style. And that allows you to turn more comfortably the way that you like to turn, and that will allow you to achieve faster speeds. And then also there's the reduced lockups, and with 20 magnet ball cores, there's auto alignment and all that. But still, in my opinion, that shouldn't make such a big difference, right? But after a lot of research, I finally found out why I'm slower on this cube. It is the lack of magnets, but not in the way you'd think. So, you don't need magnets to be fast just because they align the layers. You need the magnets to avoid micro lockups. So like when I'm turning, I'm getting a bunch of teeny lockups all the time, like this, And yes, this cube can corner cut through a lot of stuff, but it's not perfect, and they slow you down over time, and you're going to so if I was doing a J-perm like this, and then I got a lockup like this, I have to get out of my normal flow to move the layer in a specific way to finish the algorithm comfortably, and that slows you down. So in conclusion, it is worth it to buy a magnetic cube, but it's not necessarily needed unless you're chasing elite times. If you're not even sub 20 yet, you do not need a magnetic cube, although it is a really nice thing to have. But don't use a Rubik's Brand. That's just nasty. This thing is way, way, way better than a Rubik's Brand. I might do a comparison video. If you want that, please comment below, and then I will compare Rubik's Brand versus a different non-magnetic 3x3. CubeKid out.